Fitness coaches and fitness professionals, if you've never used paid ads to generate leads, today I'm going to show you my very simple system that you can use, add a budget. I'm going to do that in 3 minutes or less. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the very first step that you want to take is you want to make a magnetic lead magnet. What do I mean by that? You want to make sure that it's a lead magnet that actually solves a specific problem of a larger problem. So for example, if you are a weight loss coach, you might offer my top 3 delicious recipes for weight loss. Now, obviously that only solves a little problem of the nutrition part of a entire transformation program, but that doesn't necessarily solve the whole entire problem, right? They want a transformation, but if your lead magnet is good enough, it opens the door for them to want to work with you further. The second step is you're going to want to create a Facebook page if you haven't done so already. And if you have done that, make sure you have high quality photos on your Facebook page. That includes the profile photo and cover. And you also want to make sure that you have a few posts on there, a few likes, so that your page doesn't look spammy. Then you're going to create a business manager account. You're going to create an ad account. And that's pretty straightforward. I mean, Facebook gives you basic instructions on how to do that, so I'm not going to go into detail when it comes to that. And then the very last thing you want to do is you want to create a campaign, but not just any campaign. Obviously, you want to select leads, okay? And you're going to use Facebook's inbuilt form feature. But before you do anything, make sure you create a enticing creative. See, I am pressured because of the time. Make sure you create an enticing creative that people actually want to click on. So that means like a 2D or 3D mock-up, something that looks nice. Make sure the headline looks nice as well. The copy is on point, all of that. And on the form, you only want to ask 2 questions, name and email. That's it. And then you attach your PDF or video tutorial or whatever it is at the end of the form. Then if you did everything the right way, you're going to get something like this. Okay, now this was a campaign that I created a few days ago. I'm going to be honest with you, the results are pretty crappy. You want to get your cost per lead anywhere between $1 to $2. I only ran this campaign for a few days. If I would have ran it another 7 or 10 days and let it optimize more, it would have definitely been between those numbers. As you can see, I captured 14 leads. I spent about $240 per lead. In total, I spent about $34. If your conversion rate were to be around 10%, which is pretty good, then you would get 1.4 buyers per 14 leads, right? So let's say you were to send an email campaign out and you were to sell a $300 product. If one person were to buy your product, that means that you just made $265. So in terms of ad spend, what that means is about for every $35 you spend, you get about $265 back, right? So that's a profitable campaign. If you're interested in my lead magnet, it's pretty much to help fitness professionals build a profitable side hustle on 3 different platforms. I give strategies on how to launch on each and every one of those platforms. I'm going to leave a link down below to that. It's going to be a Google form. And guess what? All you have to do is fill out your, you guessed right, name and email, and then I'm going to send you that PDF. So that was it. That was my simple system to generate more leads. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell icon for more videos like this every week. See ya.